Good morning, Mr. Mohani.
Bale Medisha. Good morning. Good morning.
Now, is it correct that you and Sergeant Mabena arrested accused number 2 on the 16th of June 2020?
Afake nnete gore le nna le Sergeant Mabena le tshwere molatofatso wa bobedi ka di 16 ja June 2020. That is correct.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi mina ke nayo uSergeant Mabena noma ke ongasekho ke uSergeant Mabena sambopha umsolo wesibili ngazo i16 zika June 2020.
Where was the accused person arrested, accused number 2?
O swerwe go kae molatofatso wa bobedi? In Phokeng.
Waboshelwa ePhokeng.
Now, when you arrested accused number 2, did you seize any personal cell phones from him on the 16th of June 2020?
Rebe le moswara molatofatso wa bobedi. Go na le di cell phone go ba cell phone ya gage yebe le ile la itšea.
Na ka wa gopolo ke tšea cell phone, a gopolo bona cell phone ya.
I do not remember seeing his cell phone.
Ngathi ke ngimbopha ngalelo langa lelo nathatha yini umakhala ekhukhwini noma umakhala ekhukhwini kuyena mina ke angikhumbuli ngibona i-cell phone kuyena ngalelo langa.
And on the 16th of June 2020, when you arrested accused number 2, did you seize his personal identity card or document from him?
Rebe le moswara molatofatso wa bobedi le ile la tšea pasa ya gage go ba karata ya gage ya boitsebišo.
Ka re ke ga la sa gopola rona sa le ka kry ID or what aksa gopola botse.
As it is long that we had arrested him, I do not remember very well whether did we seize his identity document or not.
Ngathi nimbamba ke ngazo i16 ngalelo langa i16 ka June 2020 nathatha yini umazisi wakhe ke sekudala ke noma ka sekuyisikhathi eside ke kwenzeka angikhumbuli ke.
And at the time of the arrest on the 16th of June 2020, did you have your official pocketbook with?
Rebe lona letšatši le la 16 June 2020 le na le be le swere bukana ya lena ya pocket book.
Ya be ke shumisa diary.
I was using a diary.
Ngalelo langa lelo wawuphethe yini ke lencwadi ka amaphoyisa asebenza ngayo ebizwa ngokuthi ke pocketbook ngangisebenzisa i-diary.
And in that diary, did you record your interaction with with accused number 2?
Go diary we lena lile la ngwala poledišano tša lena go ba dilo tše di diragetseng ge be le na le yena molatofatso wa bobedi.
Usually a ka engwala le go ngwala fela gore ke ile kae ka mswara o tlo re bolelang ka dingwala.
I did not write our interaction. I just wrote where we went and we arrested him, but our interaction I did not write it.
Ukuthi lokho sasikhuluma noma sixoxisana ngako mina naye ke umsolo wesibili ngakubhala phansi cha ngabhala nje ukuthi saya kuphi nendawo sase siyambopha kodwa cha ukuthi ngibhale inkulumo phakathi kwami naye.
And at the time of that arrest on the 16th of June 2020, were you in possession of the actual docket of case Phosphorus 636 of 10/2014?
Ka yona nako we ka di 16 ja June 2020 le be le swere docket ya la mo diatleng tša lena ya case 636 ya Phosphorus.
Awa.
No, I did not have it in my possession.
Ngalelo langa i16 ku June 2020 ngangaliphethe mina idokodo lelo lalekhala leli lase Phosphorus elu 636/10/2014.
Now, with respect to the version of accused number 2, is that when he was arrested by you and Sergeant Mabena on the 16th of June in phase 2 Rustenburg, both of you seized a Samsung cell phone J5 and another white phone that belonged to his sister. What do you want to comment on that?
Jwale molatofatso wa yena o re ka tšatši le la ge be le moswara lena le moko Sergeant Mabena le ile la tšea mogala wa gage e leng Samsung J5 ye be e le mmala wa gauta le ye nngwe ye tšhweu ye be e le ya sesi wa ge lena le ka rata gore nka se
Ka ke tšetše ke boletše na ka bona cell phone tša gagwe maybe Mabena ka gore a ke tsebe maybe Mabena if ba phela o ba tlatla a hlaloša.
As I have said,
So sorry to interject. If I may approach accused number 2 wants to. So,
As I have said that I did not see the cell phone. If Sergeant Mabena perhaps he was still alive, he would be able to explain such.
Ngalelo langa lelo ke umsolo wesibili uthi ke wathatha ke i-cellphone yakhe kuyi J5 egold ngombala kanye ke nemhlophe ekasisi wakhe bese ngishilo ukuthi angikaze ngibone i-cellphone ngalelo langa lelo mhlambe ke no mhlasimpe ke uMabena.
thank you, Madam. Now, accused number 2 just now, he just called me to say adamantly that you and Mabena took the 2 phones from him, and you also seized his ID card that he only got in March 2021 when he was now detained in prison in Ramochana in Rustenburg.
Gane jwale ge a bitša mo mmoleledi wa gagwe molatofatšwa o fetša go botša mmolelele gore lena kana tšatši lewe le tšere cellphone yewe gape la tšea le ID ya gage e be e leng gore o fetša go ikhumana e se kgale ka March 2021 a le tronkong yela ya Moshaneng Ramochana.
Ka re tšetše ke boletše re tshwara motho re especially nna if you tshwara motho ke kry cell phone or dilo tša gage is either go tšentšha 13 ke buka 13 as exhibit or go na le form e lengwe le re ke SAP22 prisoners receipt book prisoners belongings recorder mo.
As I have said, my lord, that if I personally am to arrest a person, I would place anything that I had possessed from that particular person and I would put it on SAP 13 or on the prisoner's record book.
Usho ke futhi ngathi umsolo biza yena ke umeli wakhe emtshela ke ukuthi ngalelo langa nathatha lawo ama cellphone amabili kanye ke nomazisi noma ke iID yakhe ayeqeda uyithola ke ngayo uMarch ka 2021 uthi mina ke uma ngabe ngibopha umuntu bese kuba khona ke engikutholayo kuyena ngikubhala ke kuloko sikubiza ngokuthi iSAP 13 noma ke esibili SAP 22 lapho na ke ekuthiwa i-receipt noma ke enikezwa lowo oyisiboshwa ukuthi yini yakhe etholakele futhi egciniwe.
Now, accused number 1 further on that aspect tells us this other J5 that is number one. So sorry, madam. Accused number 2 says this J5 that was downloaded. It's his personal phone that he bought in 2018 or 2019. And we'll discuss that with the other witness that's coming. But importantly, the second phone, his sister's phone, was never also returned to him.
Molatofatšwa o re phone ye ya mmala wa gauta e be ile yage ye leng gore o be a fetša go ithekela yona ka 2018 e fela o re taba ye bohlokwa ke ya gore mogala ola wa sesi yage a senke wa bošiwa.
I
repeat, my lord, I did not see his cell phones.
Uthi ke umsolo wesibili ke kulodaba ke laba makhola khukhwini ababili ukuthi lona ke oyiSamsung J5 kwakuwo wakhe eqeda uyithengela ngo2018 kodwa ke okusemqoka ukuthi lena ke emhlophe yona ke kasisi wakhe ke ayikaze ibuyiswe fakazi uthi ke ngiyaphinda ke futhi ukuthi ama cellphone angaze ngiwabone ngalelo langa lelo.
Now it's unfortunate that Sergeant Mabena is not here to speak for himself. Is there a possibility that Mabena is the one that seized the items that we are discussing, the 2 phones plus the ID card from accused number 2?
Ka bo madimabe mo go Sergeant Mabena ga go gore a ka tla a bolella go ka ba le kgonagalo na gore mohlomong ke yena a tšereng di cell phone jela tša molatofatšwa tše ileng gore o bolela ka tšona le pasa ya.
If you are the chair and Gabi maybe I know the chair, I'd be a take or now.
If he would have taken them, I would have seen them, not knowing if maybe he had put them aside so that I would not be able to see them.
Ngeshwa ke uSergeant Mabena akekho ukuthi angayikhulumela noma ayiphenduleleke kodwa kungenzeka yini ukuthi uyena ke owathatha labo makhalekhukhwini amabili kanye ke nomazisi uma kuwukuthi wayeyithathile ke ngalelo langa lelo ngabe ngayibona ke ngaphandleni kokuthi ke mhlambe wayithatha ke wase eyibeka la khona ke ukuthi ngayiboni khona.
Accused number 2 will tell the court that at all the police stations that he was arrested at or held at, including the one that you are mentioning now, Valeria, he was held incommunicado, in isolation from other prisoners. Do you want to comment on that?
O re molatefatšwa wa bobedi yena o tlile go botša kgoro gore go di kgolego ka moka di sele tše bente a le go tšona yena o be a phela a le tege gona ntho le ka ratang go e bolela ka sewe.
Ke nnete.
It is correct.
Akushoyo ke umsolo wesibili ukuthi kuwo onke ke ama police station abegcinwa noma avalela kuwona ke wayengahlanganiswa nezinye iziboshwa wayivalela eyedwa yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
Now, accused number 1 will say, sorry, accused number 2, I'm sorry, because I used to represent both. Thank you, Mr. Jonas. Accused number 2 will state that as a result of being held incommunicado, in isolation, he could not contact his family members. They only knew on the 13th of July, 2020, that he was arrested.
Jwale molatefatšwa wa bobedi yena o tlile gore ka lebaka la gore o bentše a go legwe a le tege o be a sa kgone go boledišana le ba gagabo go ba tsebiša gore yena o go legwe o thomile a boledišana le bona ka di 13 tša July.
Ka ge šetše ke boletše ka bohlatsi bja ka bja go feta ke rile dikamano tša gage le family ya gage dira ke the late Sergeant Mabena ka mogana ga tšona. So a ke kwešiše gare a sanka a kopana le or a founela family ya gage.
As I've said, my lord, in my previous evidence that all his dealings with his family, they used to be done between himself and Sergeant Mabena. I do not understand how the accused would say he never contacted his family.
Uthi ke umsolo wesibili ngenxa yokuthi ke manje ebegcinwa ke noma evalelwa yedwa ke yena engahlangani nezinye iziboshwa lokho bekumvimba ke ekuthini axhumaneke nomndeni wakhe. Bese ngishilo ke ngaphambilini kubufakazi bami noma uma ngithola ubufakazi ke ukuthi ukuxhumana kwakhe ke umsolo kanye ke nomndeni wakhe into leyo ebenzeka phakathi kwakhe kanye nongasekho uSergeant Mabena angizwisisi ke manje uma ethi ebengakhonike noma bekumvimba ke ukuthi axhumane nomndeni wakhe.
The logic of the matter is this. Accused number 2 denies that he was found in possession of a cell phone in the cells in Valeria. Otherwise, he would have long alerted his family that he had been arrested and where he's being held.
Ba re kgwekgwe ya taba she ke gore molatofatšwa wa bobedi yena o re o tlo ganela gore o humanwe a be a na le cell phone ka diseleng tša gage ka Valeria ka lebaka la gore nkebe a na le yona o be a tlo letšetša ba gagabo a ba botša gore yena o go legwe.
A ke tseleng ka se mo fetolele mara ntho e le go nnete gore cell phone yona re fumane ka mo diseleng.
I do not know, my lord. I would not be able to respond on his behalf. However, the truth is that we did find a cell phone in the cell.
Akusemqoka ke lana ukuthi ke umsolo wesibili ke uyakuphika ke ukuthi yena ke wathola kala noma kathola umakhalekhukhwini kuyena ke kuma cell aseveleria uma kuukuthi lokho kwakuyiqiniso ngabe kade waxhumana nomndeni wakhe wawutshela ukuthi ukuphi nendawo. Angeke ngimphenduleleke kulokho kodwa ke mina ngikwaziyo ukuthi ngempela umakhalekhukhwini sawuthola.
And ironically, the person who received that call to say accused number 2 is sitting with a cell phone in the cells is not here to tell about that story.
Ba re taba e nngwe e leng gore ya makatša ke gore motho o khumaneng mogala o bue wa gore molatofatšwa o ka gare ga dikgolego yena gape o swere le cell phone ga go motho o bue gore a ka tla a tlile go tlhalošetša kgoro ka bophara.
Ka madimabe kgoro e tla ntshwarela ka gore monna modimo o ithobeletše boroko bo bogolo gore ka se motho o sera mo itshware ke eng le nna ke na fetole e bue.
Unfortunately, the court would forgive me because the gentleman has rested in peace and we cannot resurrect him and ask him those questions.
Kodwa ke lana ke udaba ukuthi ke umuntu lona ekuyena ke lona owathola ke lombiko nomucingo lo ukuthi ke umsolo wesibili unocingo ngaphakathi noma unomakhalekhukhwini kuyena-ke akekho ukuthi azoyiphendulela ngeshwa-ke inkantolo izonqolela-ke ukuthi loyo muntu leyo-ke akekho-ke usala lokuthula asingeke sikwazi-ke ukuthi siyomvusa-ke ukuthi eze khona la.
Now, accused number 2 will also deny that that cell phone was found in him and it was sealed in the forensic bag in his presence.
gape molatofatšo wa bobedi yena o re o tlo ganela gore phone eo e humanwe go yena gape ya lokelwa ka gare ga lesakana lela la botlhaketse yena a le gona.
a ke makale ka gore ga gona lo tša dumelang ka moka mara cellphone re e kry-ile ka mo cellphone ka mo seleng ya gage ka ba ka e lokela mo ka e sela mo pela ga gage.
I am not surprised that the accused would deny that we had found a cell phone in his cell and sealed it in his presence because he's denying everything.
Umsolo-ke uyaphika-ke ukuthi kwathola umakhalekhukhwini kwisela wayekusona wase futhi uyathathwa-ke ufaka kwisikhwama sezobufakazi ekhona-ke akungimangazi-ke lokho ukuthi uyaphika ukuthi sawuthola sase siyawufaka-ke kwisikhwama leso sobufakazi ngoba-ke uphika nje konke.
Now, a suspect or a prisoner found in possession of a cell phone, it is an offense in terms of the standing orders. Is that not correct?
Jwale mo golegwa ge a humanwa a swere mo mogala a le ka gare ka diseleng ga se ye nngwe ya melato eo.
nka e fetolwa so le kušia gore Ntanzi accused number 2 e be e le a high profile suspect.
May I respond in this manner? Please understand that accused number 2 was a high-profile suspect.
Angithi kuyicala yini noma kubulelesi yini ukuthi-ke umuntu oboshiwe noma isiboshwa-ke sitholakale-ke nomakhalekhukhwini eselini noma la agcinwe khona-ke angiphendule ngale ndlela-ke ukuthi-ke unumber 2 noma-ke uNtanzi-ke bekuke umsolo-ke lokhu esimbiza ukuthi-ke ubhekene noma-ke esingathi masimchaza ukuthi-ke we-high profile.
Rena ka maemo a o fokisha ka rena a re do kitimela go no swara motho ka re mo kry-ile ka sellathekeng.
As according to our investigations, we do not just rush and arrest a person or charge a person because we found him in possession of a cell phone.
Ngokwendlela-ke noma ngokusebenza kwethu-ke angeke nje sijaheke noma sigijimeke ukuthi-ke manje-ke sesizothwesa-ke umuntu icala noma sesizombopha-ke umuntu ngenxa nje yokuthi simthole enomakhalekhukhwini.
Ke ka mokgwa o re itšerego sellathekeng seo ra se iša gore ba ile se tlhola gore se na leng ka mogare.
That is why we took that cell phone and placed and go and take it to the downloaders so that they would be able to see what did that cell phone have in it.
Ingakho-ke sawuthatha-ke umakhalekhukhwini lowo sase siyawuhambisa-ke ukuthi bahambeke labo abasebenza ngabo bayobheka-ke ukuthi-ke unani ngaphakathi kuwona.
Now, exactly my point. As a high-profile suspect arrested who is in possession of a cell phone with which he can communicate with his alleged co-accused, that is a serious offense for which he must be charged.
But
let alone his high-profile stature. That's an offense in terms of the standing orders, not your feelings or how you do things.
But ke yona taba e leng gore bona ba eme go yona. Gore le ge ile gore le bolela ka gore monno e be le monno e leng gore o lebellang le melato e megolo. Lena le be le swanetse le dirile mošomo wa lena ba gore le mosware jwalo ka ga ile gore yena o be a swere mogala ka diseleng ga se gore le be le swanetse le dire dilo go ya ka maikutlo a lena goba ka tsela e leng gore lena la ye le tlwaetse go bereka ka gona.
Morena Ramsebidi e ša moya fase re bereke.
Mr. Ramsebidi, come down and let's work.
I'm the calmest person in this room.
A go bontšhe bjalo
Back in the days.
no a go bontšhe bjalo nako e fetileng.
It doesn't show like that as you have just asked this question.
Manje-ke ngokwendlela-ke asidlana nimthola-ke enomakhalekhukhwini. Lokho nje ngokwako-ke akusona yini ubulelesi noma-ke icala-ke ngoba lana umakhalekhukhwini lo angawusebenzisa ukuthi-ke akhulume nabanye laba aboshwe nabo-ke hayi ubeke eceleni-ke indlela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani noma nijwayele ukwenza kanjani. Ngizocela-ke ukuthi baba-ke uhlise njena-ke umoya ngoba nje ngendlela-ke kulo mbuzo qeda ubuza akukhombisi kanjalo ukuthi-ke umoya uphansi.
You can answer my
le ka araba potso ya
Ke a
bona.
leboga.
Thank you.
Le ka fetola le ka mpuisa gape ka gore ke ile ka
I was saying, and I'll speak slowly,
eh,
given his high-profile nature and the fact that he's alleged to have committed this heinous act together with the other co-accused, that he can communicate with them and alert them of the arrest and certain things, that by itself says he must be charged for being in possession of that phone. But if we forget that, normally the standing orders are this. Somebody, a prisoner, in possession of the phone, it's an offense in terms of the standing orders.
Ba re ge bona jwalo ka ga ile gore le re molatofatswa e be le molatofatswa o e leng gore o lebelelang le molato o mogolo a be a na le ba bangwe ba e leng gore le bona e be le karolo ya molato o ge a khumanwa a swere mogala yena o be a swanetse le mophare ka molato ka lebaka la gore ka ona mogala owe go be go ka direga gore a boledišane le bona bale ba e leng gore ba be ba swerwe goba ba be a na le bona ge be go diragala molato oo.
sa boletša gape ke re ke ka mokgwa o di tšereng selathe se gore a se iša gore ba le sehlola gore na o be a bolela le bomang wa diragalang ka sona gomme re tla tšea sepheto ge šetše se hlotšwe.
I repeat that is why we took that cell phone and we took it in that they should go and investigate on who was he speaking to and what were the conversations about. Then we would make a decision after those investigations were completed.
Lana ke sikhuluma ngako ukuthi ke utholakale enomakhalekhukhwini ke la agcine khona ke lo makhalekhukhwini abe ngawusebenzisa ke ukuthi ke akhulumisane ke nabanye ke labo ke abutshwe nabo ke lona ke icala leli abatsheleke ngokubona noma abanye laba ekusola ukuthi benabo ke abese bayatshela ke ngokuboshwa kwabo bese ngishilo ke noma ke ngisho ke ukuthi thina ke yingakho sawuthatha umakhalekhukhwini sase siyawuhambisa ukuthi uhambe uyohlola ubheke ukuthi ke obani abekhulumisana nabo futhi ke yini ke esengatholakala kuwona bese kuthi emuva kwalokho ke sithatha isinqumo ngaloko okutholakele.
Did you record in your diary that on this day I found a cell phone in accused number 2's possession in the cells in Villarreal?
Le ile la ngwala mo diary ya lena gore ka letšatši le we le ile la khumana di cell phone go molatofatswa wa bobedi di selling tša Valeria.
Ee ra ngwala.
Yes, I did right.
Yebo ngabhala ke kuyona ke incwadi yami engisebenza ngayo lena ngibizwa ngokuthi i-diary ke ukuthi ngelanga elithize kwi-police station yaseValeria kumaseli ke ngathola lokho noma ngathola ke umakhalekhukhwini kuyena umsolo.
I'm going to request that you present same so that it can be exhibited to us.
Ba re ba tlile go gopela gore le ba bontšhe gore e be botlhatse goba bo bontšhwe mo kgorong.
O me ka madi mabe gore tla ntshwarela diary ya ka 21 2020 and 2021 sa le di a lahlega.
I would request the court to forgive me that I would not be able to produce that diary as my diary of 2020-2021 got missing.
Ngizoyicela ke inkantolo mina njengoba ummeli esecela ukuthi leyo diary ngizocela ke ukuthi uyilethe ke inkantolo nanjengobufakazi ngeshwa ke ngizoyicela ke inkantolo ukuthi ngiqoleleke khona lapho ukuthi ke incwadi leyo ke engiyibiza ngokuthi ke i-diary ke yango 2020-21 isiyalahleka.
I'm getting a sense of deja vu.
Ba re bona ba makala ka ntho e leng gore le a e bolela.
Le ka hlaloša.
Can you explain further?
That yourself included, all the police officers that have testified here in the main case before, in the trial, when it's time to produce the SAP 206, the pocketbook, their diaries, unfortunately, the unit is disbanded, it got lost, it grew links, so I'm not surprised.
Ba re ntho e leng gore ya ba makatša ke gore
Actually not correct, Madam. I did produce this.
I'll accept that, my lord, but of the thousands that have testified here, is the only one. So I'm not surprised.
I mean, the government of England statement says that cell phone which he found he placed it in a, as Mr. Misnoted into say, in a sealed bag. Is that so? Sir?
ga go jwa le gore lena le rile
That is what the-
lesaka lela le
the
ile
point is, the criteria which he says is investigating. It's about the phone itself, that's why it takes it for it to be downloaded. Well, the diary file is lying about it, as you say, it's lost. But
My lord, we mustn't deal with these issues in isolation.
yeah.
That's what's called chain of evidence.
Mm.
We are disputing that it was found from us in the cells in the
It's not even your clients.
But
No,
rather,
fine.
so sorry, he said it is.
No, no, yeah, fine,
Yes.
fine. I'm just
So it's
quoting.
issues of chain of custody, this documentation that records who handled the phone,
Yes.
when, where.
You are right. You read your client's phone, hold on. The very one he says he found it.
Yes, but not the Samsung J5 that was downloaded. It's my client's phone.
Okay, fine.
My chain of thought now is scrambled a bit. Let me recover. My lord, it's nearing, I think, almost maybe quarter to 12.
There it is.
Okay. I'm trying to recall what I was. So
Chain
let
of
me,
evidence.
so let me consult my, if I may have a moment.
Sorry, Salud. When you say another did show this, okay, did he say he actually discovered?
The diary, yes.
And then the defense has got a copy of that diary.
Yes, I think they did have.
Yeah, so the
such-
Ramsey Security should know that at least the chief interrogation, the chief policeman did discover and you have a copy of it.
Yes, but it speaks of no cell phones that were found. It deals about other matters. My lord, I think I was almost done until my chain of thought was developed.
Chain of,
My chain of thought.
I thought it was a chain of evidence.
Now the chain of evidence that was addressing the court room.
Okay.
Now, also, I was asking you, now, you said you wrote in your diary, you recorded that a cell phone was found on accused number 2. Now, while still at Valeria, SAPS, in the occurrence book of Valeria, was this also recorded that we went to the cells and we found accused number 2 in possession of a cell phone?
jwale lena le rile lengwe etse diaring ya lena ba kgopela go tseba gore le dibukeng tša Valeria police station le ile la ngwala na gore le ile diseleng tša Valeria la khumana molatofatšo wa bobedi a be a na le mogala go yena.
no a ka ngwana
No, I did not write it.
Ngicela ukuthi ke kuyona ke incwadi yasepolice station yaseValeria wabhala yini kuyona ke ukuthi ngaya kwisele yakhe umsolo wesibili ngase ngithola umakhala ekhukhwini cha angibhalanga.
And also in the SAP 13 of Villaria, for transference purposes, that the cell phone is taken from the cells, entered into our register, taken from our register, then to DFI Middleburg. Was that done?
Go ile go ngwalwa gape le gore cell phone e tšerwe go molatofatšwa ya ngwalwa gore e tlontšhiwa e išiwe DFI ya Middleburg go ngwetšwe mola Valeria.
no ke bona se botlhokwa ka re be ke ngwetse mo diaring yaka
I did not see the need to write it in Valeria as I had written it in my diary.
Nokuthi ke manje lo makhala ekhukhwini usuyathathwa ke usuyandluliswa uzohanjiswa ke usuweke kuona ke ama-office la DBCI eMiddelburg. Nalapho ke angizange ngisibone isidingo ngoba ke ngase ngibhalile ke encwadini yami noma ke kuyona idiary yami.
My Lord, I'm making that just to approach at this level.
Yes, yes.
statement that was produced, you say the phone that you obtained was a Samsung. What model was the Samsung?
Lena le ba re ba bona gore mo statement ke sa lena le ngwadile gore mogala o lo humaneng e be le Samsung ye e jwang ye be le loketse ka gare ga lesakana le la botlhatsi.
Nka se tsebe nna ke bone ne ngwetswe Samsung gore ke model ofeng a ke tsebe.
I would not be able to know the model. I just saw that the cell phone was written Samsung.
ukuthi ke kakuphi luphi uhlobo noma umuphi ke umhlobo we Samsung angeke ngikwazi ke lokho ngabona nje kuphela ukuthi kubhalwe Samsung.
Now, just to drum up on this point, in support of accused number 2's allegation that will come and tell the court that I was never found in possession of a cell phone. During the trial, within the trial, Magistrate Coroner testified here. And amongst one of the things that accused 2 reported to her was that I want to phone my family, I want to phone my kids. If accused number 2 was in possession of a cell phone, he could have done that before you even discovered that cell phone.
Ba re go betella gana mowe ba nyaka go le botsa gore magistrata Kronyegene a itlamo yena o ile a fana ka botlhatsi ba gore molatofatswa wa bobedi o mmoditse gore yena o be a nyaka go letsetsa ba gagabo mogala ge ile gore o be a na le mogala nke a isa botse magistrata wola gore yena o be a nyaka go letsetsa ba gabo mogala.
Nka se mo fetolele accused number 2 gore go dirile bjang gore a se ka ba founela ga na le cell phone ka mogare mara ntho e re kry-ileng gore o ba na le sellathekeng ka mo seleng ya gage.
I would not be able to respond on behalf of accused number 2 on why didn't he contact his family whilst he had a cell phone in his possession. However, I would maintain that we did find a cell phone in his cell.
Ukuhambisana ke nale nkulumo yakhe ke umsolo wesibili ukuthi ke akaze kutholakala emakhalekhukhwini ke nake uma esefakaza noma ethula ubufakazi ke bakhe lana ke imanje uKronye akushilo ke kule nkantolo ukuthi ke isicelo esenziwa umsolo wesibili ke nake ukuthi wayicela ukuthi ke axhumaneke nomndeni wakhe kanye nezingane zakhe uma kuukuthi ngempela ke wena umakhalekhukhwini ngabe ke akaza senze leso sicelo leso kuyona imanje angeke ngimphenduleleke mina ke ukuthi kwakungani angakwenzike lokho ukuthi axhumane nabo kodwa ke umakhalekhukhwini wayenawo ke kuyena ngoba engikushoyo mina ukuthi ke sawuthola.
Now, when you go to the cells as an outside police officer who's not based at that station, or even the police officers that are based there, when they go to the cell master, they must write in the occurrence book of the cells that Sergeant Ohane visited accused number 2 for this purpose. Was that done?
Jwale ge lena le maphodisa a sa berekeng mola stationeng se USA se phodisa goba le maphodisa a manga berekang gona mona ge ba ya ba ilo bona molatofatswa goba ba ilo bona motho jwalo ka ga le re le be le ile le ilo bona molatofatswa wa bobedi ba ngwala fase gore molatofatswa o ile a ilo bonwa le ile la ngwala jwalo le goba le bona ba ngwetse not knowing about those police officers that were stationed in Valeria. However, I did not write.
Uma ke uyiphoyisa la ngaphandle ke elingasebenzi kusona leso station noma ke iwona ke amaphoyisa asebenza khona lapho uma kuukuthi ke uyobona umsolo wakhe eselini angithi kufanele ukuthi ke lowo lapha emaselini abhaleke ukuthi uSergeant Mohane weza ke ngelanga elithile ezobona umsolo mina ke angizange ngibhaleke angazi bona ke abasebenza khona lapho eValeria.
But the point is this, even if they write, I know normally you don't do entries in that station's book. They make the entry, but you countersign that entry if it's made.
Ifela le ge le gore mohlomong lena le sa ngwala o re wa tseba gore bona maphodisa a mangale ba na le go ngwala ya be ile gore lena ba be le tlile le etetse police station ye be le sa shome go yona ya be ile gore le lena le ya signa ka moraga gore le bona maphodisa le ba signile.
I
do not know how they operate.
Ukuthi ke bona ke bazobhala bese mina ke ngiyasayinda ke angazi ukuthi basebenza kanjani khona lapho angeke ngibaphendulele.
In closing, Sergeant Mohane, perhaps for clarity's sake, I'm going to request via the state that we be provided with prisoner's property of accused number 2 when he was booked in Valeria, the property that we came with, and as well as the initial SAP 22 of Pretoria North Police Station, where he was held for the first time on the 16th of June 2020.
bona ba re ba dilo kgopela motšhotšhisi gore a ba thuše a tle a ba nyakele goba a ba neye gore batho ba molatofatšwa ge a fihla sephodiseng yena o golegwe a wa tšewa eng tše di tšwang mo go yena goba o be a swere eng le dilo tše e leng gore o be a na le tšona ge bentše a le mola sephodiseng ka Pretoria.
Awuluki.
That is fine.
Ngizocela ke ngokusizwa ngawo uwona ke umbuso ukuthi ke basilekeleleke ukuthi ke sitholeke iproperty noma lokho afika enakho umsolo wakhe khona lapha yana police station nakhona ke noma iSAP 22 yange 16 zika June 2020 inkathi eboshwa ke okokuqala ePretoria North umsolo kulungileke umuzokwenza lokho.
May I approach with now, just to wrap up, accused number 2 will come and tell the court that at any stage, all the police stations where he was held, be it Pretoria North, Valeria where you allege, Primrose, and Pretoria North, Valeria,
Tiaramut, Brooklyn.
Pretoria Moot as well. He was never found in possession of any phone because those phones were confiscated when he was arrested on the 16th of June 2020.
Bare ge ba ruma bona ba re molatofatšwa wa bobedi o tlore ga gona nako mo e leng gore yena o ile a humanwa a be a na le sellathekeng go di-police station jela ka moka Pretoria North, Pretoria Moat, Valeria le Primrose o re ga gona mo e leng gore yena o ile a humanwa a be a na le sellathekeng.
Nka le botša kgoro rawa ye o e tseba ke yena gore se tlile ba sellatheke seo go yena gomme le policeng tše ka moga tšona a sa humanwa le sellathekeng.
My Lord, I would respond by saying he knows how he got hold of that cell phone and how it was not discovered in all the other police stations. However, he was found with a cell phone.
Umsolo wesibili ke uzothi kuona onke ke lama police station iPrimrose, iValeria, iPretoria North, iPretoria Moat akaze atholakale ke enomakhalekhukhwini kuyena ngoba umakhalekhukhwini bathathwa ke ngenkathi noma ngelanga ayeboshwa ngalo. Kwazi yena ke ukuthi kuwo onke lama police station lena kwenzeka kanjani ke ukuthi ke angatholakali noma angamboni ke ukuthi unomakhalekhukhwini kodwa ke mina ke ngikwazi ukuthi ke watholakala noma samthola ke nawo umakhalekhukhwini eseleni.
Accused number 2 will also tell the court that during the course of his incarceration from the 16th of June until he appeared in Tabani Court, Magistrates Court on the 22nd of June, and again until he met Jack Buthelezi, a witness who came and testified here that I met accused number 2 in the presence of the police in the CBD at Rustenburg to give him 500 rand for toiletries. Until then, none of his family members knew where he was held, and therefore he had no visitors that could give him a phone so that he can be found in possession of that phone.
Ba re molatofatšwa wa bobedi yena o tlore go tlogeleleng di 16 tša June go fihlelleng di 23 tša June 22 as the previous study go fihlelleng di 22 tša June mo be a bonana le Jack Buthelezi a tlebe a mo fa 500 ranta le be le toropong ya Phokeng yena o ba senke a tlhakane le batho ba gagabo ba ile gore mohlomong ba be ba ka monea sellathekeng.
a ke tsebe ke sa boeletša ka pakela tšeo di tseba ke ena gore o dirile bjang gore a se ka founela batho ba gago ga ba kopana le yena bothelesi nka se kgone o feng go mo fetolela ga ke tsebe.
I do not know, my Lord. As I have said that I do not know how did it happen that he did not contact his family and until he had met Jack Buthelezi. I do not know how did it happen.
Umsolo wesibili uzothi-ke ukusukela ngazo i-16 zikaJune 2020 kuze kube ilanga-ke lange-22 zikaJune 2020 nkathi-ke eyobingelela-ke imantshi kwinkantolo yaseTlhabane kwaze futhi kwaba ilanga-ke la khona eyohlangana naye uJack Buthelezi. uJack Buthelezi-ke omunye ufakazi-ke ozile-ke la enkantolo la ehlangana naye edolobheni ehamba namaphoyisa wasemnikeza u-500 ukuthi-ke ayithengeleke into zogeza ukuthi ngalelo langa lelo akakaze abe nomuntu ozombona-ke obekungathi-ke uyena loyo muntu obengamnikeza into-ke ukuthi abe nayo. Angikwazi umphendulela, ngeke ngimphendulele ukuthi kungani-ke ngazange axhumane nomndeni wakhe kuze kube ilanga ahlangana ngalo noButhelezi.
Finally, accused number 2 will deny that Sergeant Mabena liaised with accused number 2 regarding accused number 2 contacting his family member next of kin on the night.
Mafelong ge molatofatšo wa bobedi yena o re o tlilo ganela gore Sergeant Mabena o bentša mo thuša gore a hlakanele ba gabo goba a boletšane le ba gabo go fihlelleng mafelong.
The girlfriend is sleeping.
It's Lebogang.
Yes. And he, according to evidence which I listened,
Yes.
communicated with Mabena. Mabena gave him through her, change of clothing. That's the evidence I listened.
Exactly the same evidence
Okay, fine.
that I listened to, my Lord, but it was on the 13th of July, 2020.
Okay.
As the court places, Madam.
Yes.
Now, finally, Sergeant Bohan, when you seized that cell phone allegedly from accused number 2, did you also seize the charger for that phone with you?
Ge be le tšea phone ewe go molatofatšo wa bobedi le tšerile chargera?
Ka humana charge.
No, I did not find the charger.
Nkathi-ke unithatha-ke noma nithola leyo makhalekhukhwini wakhe-ke umsola ngaba ne-charger nayithatha yini cha angizange ngithole i-charger.